Welcome friends. Growing fenugreek greens from seeds in a container is a very easy process. Even a beginner can grow this green successfully. Just need soil, water and suitable environment. We can cultivate our own greens. Soak the fenugreek seeds 1 tablespoon in water overnight before sowing. This will fasten the seed germination and increase the successful rate of germination of almost all seeds. Just transfer plain soil to the container. You can use any soil. Discard big stones if any. Don't bother about the smaller stones. Microgreens grow well in any soil. Just level the soil bed. Mark vertical and horizontal. Mark vertical and horizontal lines using stick or forefinger. Strain the fenugreek seeds over the soil. Place the seeds randomly just over the surface of the soil. They don't need to sown evenly or perfectly spaced. Spacing between the seeds is not required. Just cover the seeds with the thin layer of the dry soil. Make sure that the seeds get enough air and sunlight. Keep the soil moist by sprinkling water at regular intervals. Maintain the constant moisture level until they fully grown. Now, notice the seeds begin to germinate next day itself. Watch the phase of growing seeds. Almost all the seedlings grown on the sixth day. Three-lobed leaves begin to develop from the shoot on 15th day. Fenugreek greens thrive well in full sun to part shade. The greens grow 9 to 12 inches height on 21st day. It can be grown in balconies and terrace garden or any container. Location you place the container should receive at least 1 to 3 hours of sunlight. They are ready to harvest now. We can uproot the greens or trim the leaves on top shoot and leave them to grow for next week harvest. One bunch of young greens are ready to cook. Thanks for watching.